Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm here in, what do you call this place?
Cypress Towers condominium.
I am joining right now at the penthouse. Yeah, it's so nice here. I really love to stay here because it's too busy and it's so nice here. Oh my god. Yeah, there's a restaurant here beside us. There you go. Look at the view, it's so nice.